Hi everyone, welcome to Hi Chef channel. Thank you for your support. We need more support. Please subscribe us and press the bell button. Today we are going to make pasta, chicken pasta with creamy cheesy sauce. It's my version, so you can try this one, an easy way to cook pasta. We need these kinds of ingredients. Please follow my recipe, give my comments. We need pasta, butter, flour, milk, you can use fresh milk, fresh chicken breast cut into cubes, some basil leaves, it's optional, if you want you can use, white pepper powder, salt, some paprika powder. Heat one pan to prepare our pasta boiling first. Just put water 5 times then your pasta and add little oil for that, so your pasta will not get sticky. Add salt. Please add little more salt because pasta need to get all the salt taste properly. Now keep boiling until your water is boiled. Now your water is boiled properly. You can see it's boiling, and add your pasta. Please, when you add pasta, immediately stir your pasta, otherwise it will sticky each other. This is one of the secret chefs doing. Please stir well because oil need to coat your pasta and it will cook proper way. In this stage you can add some bay leaves if you want, basil leaves or some oregano to get more smell inside your pasta, but up to you. You can use macaroni, you can use penne, you can use any other kind of pasta. This technique, this is the basic technique of we are cooking pasta. Please don't try to cook pasta over boiled. See, the pasta is perfectly boiled. You can see it's easily, it's not raw and it's not over boiled. When you boil pasta, most people using to wash the pasta, but for my advice, don't wash your pasta because all the taste will go like Italian style. Please add little oil and stir well, then your pasta not get sticky. Now we are going to make our white sauce. For the white sauce you can check my 5 mother sauce recipe. We need 50 gram butter or equal quantity of butter and flour. So I am going to use here 50 gram butter and 50 gram white flour, ordinary white flour. Please take care, don't use brown flour. This is only just white flour. And in the low flame, mix the butter and flour together. You can see the texture become like a sandy texture. So that is your roux is ready. If you want to add milk or stock, but I am adding here milk, you have to add 4 times than this quantity. Now our quantity is 50, so 200 ml you have to add milk for here to make the roux. You can add chicken stock, you can add any kind of stock, but for this purpose we need white sauce, so we are using this milk. This sauce we calling bechamel sauce. So bechamel sauce we can use for a lot of dishes, especially pasta and some gratin. Which one we mixing with cheese, the white sauce is the super combination. You see, now I am mixing the white sauce until not to get clumps. You can add little chicken stock powder or chicken cubes and white pepper. So slowly your sauce is boiling time. You have to stir well, otherwise it will get sticky on the pan and getting brown color and the smelly comes. So mix nicely until it's get like a creamy texture. Now you can add more little milk or water. I add little water because I need little creamy texture, watery. See, now your roux is done properly. You can see it's a very creamy and the taste also will be same. Now we are going to make our chicken mixer. So I use little butter. If you don't want butter, you can use little oil. Keep this butter little heat. Don't allow them to melt. If you melt, it's very hard to you to stop the getting brown. So now you add some onion chop. It's up to you. You don't want that, it's okay. Now you see the onion getting slowly soft. You add some, if you want some garlic, chopped garlic, you can add also. If you not, it's okay. Some guys, they don't like garlic to their pasta, and add that basil leaves. We have basil leaves is giving only the smell and some flavor, so you can add oregano, dry oregano or curry leaves, it's up to you, but we using basil leaf here. And add that chicken cubes. Chicken cubes clean properly, cut into small cubes. Chicken breast, because pasta don't try to put with the bones because we eating by spoons. Add some paprika. Normally I like chili powder, but for the most people they don't like chili powder, they like smoothie taste, so we add paprika. You see, now your chicken get cooking. When you cooking chicken, there's a secret: don't cook until get rubber. Just allow them to cook softly. Don't make it like a rubber texture. So you cannot enjoy your chicken, but need to cook 100% properly, well cooked. See, now our chicken is already done, so I adding pasta. Most chefs, they adding sauce and they adding pasta. For me, no, I like to get the pasta all inside the pasta holes, go all the sauces, so it will very delicious when you finishing a pasta. See, now I am adding the white sauce what we have. Don't add one time, check how much you want. Some they don't like too much creamy, but I like too much creamy. It's equal to like a cheese sauce, very tasty. See, now you can understand how it's coming mixed with the pasta and the white sauce, and it's delicious. Keep on flame, low flame. Now this stage, if you have some mozzarella cheese, you can add some mozzarella cheese, or if you don't want, don't add, no problem. But if you add mozzarella cheese, the texture looks so nice. See, I'm not adding too much, I just add like a less than 50 gram mozzarella cheese for this. Then what happened, now this mozzarella melt very fast, and close your fire. Don't allow mozzarella to cook very fast, very long time, so the mozzarella texture, the elastic texture will go. See, now when I putting this pasta to my plate, you can feel it, the elastic is there and the creamy texture will shine with your pasta. So now our pasta is ready. Just put some basil leaves if you have extra, garnish with that. Please subscribe my channel and press bell button. I waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.